Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy, but as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can do faux locks, goddess. It doesn't even matter, goddess or not. This is just a few ways that you can do it. I was looking on YouTube, Pinterest, everything, and I saw a couple of videos that I liked. I liked what they did and some that I didn't like what they did. Basically, I already did braids. I didn't wrap them or anything, but I did the braids and I added the hair. Place that I went to, they didn't have like Marley hair, but they did have this, which is Jamaican twist braid, and I got it in the color 2. I got 4 packs, but I don't even think I'm going to use all 4 packs. And then for the curly hair, I'm using this one, free twist braid crochet color 2, 22 inches, so it's super long. I shouldn't even got it this long because I'm doing short, but whatever. Alright, so let's just hop into the video. Right now I'm just sectioning my hair. By the way, it doesn't have to be super neat and even because it just doesn't have to be, but I'm a perfectionist. So I'm just greasing my scalp and moisturizing my hair. Alright, so since the hair is super long, what I do is I just cut it in half. And then I usually cut it again, like where it tapers a little bit. I really don't need it. I have 2 pieces, but I'm not going to use that one for this. I'm just going to use one. I spread it apart and then I do that. Boom. So this is the first way you could do it. So then you just braid it on how you would braid on. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm adding the hair to my hair just to make my hair a little bit thicker, and it depends on what size you want the dreads to be. And the braid shouldn't be tight because you're gonna do that dread on it, and yeah, the braid doesn't have to be neat, A, and B, the braid doesn't have to be tight. And then you're going to add the curly piece of hair. Like, this is how the hair is. You're gonna make sure like this piece is shorter than this side, like that, and then I just braid down. To wrap the braid, because I want to show you everything, I'm gonna get the Marley hair and just gonna fluff it out, like fluff out the ends, fluff, fluff, fluff. You know, just spread it out a little bit at least. There's 2 different methods. You can either do it the crochet way or you can do it just the wrap way. I'm gonna show you the crochet way. So you put the crochet needle in, and then you're gonna add this piece of hair to that hook. Close the hook up and bring it through and take it out. So it should look like that, like that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it like that, and we're going to wrap. And you're first gonna wrap the top at least 3 times. Like, you have to make sure the top is secure. I feel like this is the hardest part, to be honest. I don't know why. But like, I mean, it's not that hard, but it's like annoying. And then you want to make sure that you're overlapping it. Let me go right here. You're overlapping it. Once you get to the bottom, you can stop, or you can just bring it back up, or just cut a little bit so you don't have to do it all the way. Because this is pretty long, so you can just cut it. And just bring it back up. And make sure you spread it out. And then you can either light the ends, glue the ends. I don't have anything up here because I just don't, so I'm just gonna wrap it around till it just stays. Then yeah, and pretty much that's it. And then you have that is sprayed, and then I'm gonna cut it, so I'm gonna show you guys like that. And pretty much that's it. That is pretty much it for that one. And it's not too it's not heavy, it's not really that stiff, it's chilling, you know. So okay, so that's one way you could do it. Let me show you another way. Like, I put 3 on this side, but freak it, I'm just gonna do one. So for the first one, I added hair, but you don't have to do that. You could just actually just braid it, braid your regular hair. So you would go like this. So basically you just braided your hair, like not adding hair. So basically I'm just braiding my hair, and then if your hair is really short, because I'm trying to go right here, so my hair basically reaches that. But if your hair is really short, you can add hair to it to make it longer. Or I'm just gonna add a piece of the curl in. And again, I'm not gonna do it like this. I'm gonna make sure it's a little bit tapered. I meant to do it like that, but yeah. How I do it, I add it like that. So I basically am putting your hair, so I have that, and I just twist it in. I don't know how to explain it. Before, we used the crochet needle, but you don't have to use it. Oh, okay. You could just put it like this, like lean it against, like this again, keeping this all long, have it short. Put it against the braid, hold on to it, and then we're going to twist it. You're gonna do this a couple of times at the base, just so it stays in place. To be honest, I think I like the crochet needle a little bit better because it feels more secure. And to be honest, crochet needles are like $2, like I think probably less, probably more, I don't know, but it's worth it. You should get it. And I think like if you want the dread to be thicker, you would just add more hair to it. Like you see how like this is like really small? I would add hair like to the braid. But yeah, so that'd be pretty much it. I already got 2 right there. Again, looking good. So another way I seen somebody do on, I think I seen it on Facebook or Instagram. So what she did was she split it in half, and then she added the hair right there. Don't know how she kept it there, but she did. So basically you're just putting the hair in the middle like that. So I'm just gonna hold that like that. What she did was she braided it in. Don't know if I'm gonna like it, but this is how she did it. I have the hair inside the braid, which is kind of loose, so I don't really like that. But again, it's long right here, short right here, so I guess we're gonna wrap it. I don't really like that though. To get to the end, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep wrapping and then like the little hair, put it up. I don't know. I don't really like that one because I mean, it's okay, but I'm just trying to understand if your hair is short, like how would that even work? I mean, I'm guessing you would add hair, but why braid? Why do that? I don't know. It looks pretty cool though, I guess. I don't care that it's short either because I kind of wanted to have dimension. All right, so the third way, this is the fourth way. The fourth way you could do it is, so basically I'm just gonna braid it. If you don't know how to add the braid in, you can crochet it in. Put it through a random braid, hook it in, close the hook, and boom. So yeah, so now it's crocheted in the braid. And again, I would go like this, more, like so it's tapered, and you could just hold it down like that. So then when you put the hair in it. So again, fluff it out. So as you can see, I left a little bit out just because it's a goddess faux lock, so you can have like little curls out everywhere. So I left it like that, and then again, I'm gonna cut it up to the length that I want it to, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So that is 4 ways you can do faux locks. But yeah, the sun is about to go down, and I'm trying to finish this by tonight, so I'll come back when I'm done, add a few accessories, and that'll be that. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. All right guys, so this is the finished look. Took me about 10 hours to do. It wasn't even like the braiding part that took long, it was more like the wrapping the hair and making sure it doesn't unravel. I had to redo a couple because they kept unraveling. There's one here I feel like it's better to unravel. I think it was like this one, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So for the hair jewelry, I used this. For the cuffs, and then I used these rings for like right here. And then for the thread, I got at my corner store, which was only $1. And I also wrapped some at the bottom because, you know, I wanted to do something different. But yeah, this is how it came out. Right here, I added like a curl coming from the braid, and I might add some more curls in the back, but yeah, this is the finished result. I'm gonna try to put out some more videos because I know I have been gone for a while. The last upload I think was in October, so I didn't post for a whole month. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye guys.